Now, obviously, some people wear their heart on their sleeve, but you're wearing one of your passions on your tie today.
I am. I have both the Draper Associates logo and the Bitcoin logo here. It also says #DGov, which is decentralized government. I think everything's going to be decentralized in another 10 years, and I think it's all because Satoshi Nakamoto came up with this Bitcoin, which is a decentralized currency. And that currency, I think, can move humanity to a new anthropological level. I think it can move humanity up, and we'll become a richer society around the world because money can move faster, we can trust money more, and it keeps perfect records, and it's global.
You're obviously a true believer, and I get the idea that trust in financial institutions and banks was very, very low when you started investing, which is more than 10 years ago, so you're a proper early adopter. I get that. The secrecy side of things, where we are now, a lot of people saying, well, actually, most of the adopters of these are not the good guys. They're the bad guys. The ransomware incidences, the blackmailing instances, the cybercrime are all, many would see them intrinsically linked.
So it turns out that the blockchain keeps perfect records. If you want to be a criminal, you should use cash, because no one can trace that. But the U.S. Marshal's Office has basically said they kind of like Bitcoin because they can catch every criminal. And it's because they can watch the movement of the money. And they just follow the money and they catch them. So I don't recommend for people, I mean, it's sort of a short-term gain and then long-term you're in jail. So that part is, is a misconception by a lot of the people. You talked about trust. And I have come to the conclusion, I've been able to travel all over the world. I visited 78 or 80 countries. I've done business in maybe 60 of them. And I've come to the conclusion that there are really two things that really matter for a government. And one is trust, and one is freedom. And I said that to the guru, and he said, trust, freedom. You can't have freedom without trust. You can't have trust without freedom. And then I came to the conclusion that President Xi, President Putin are weak leaders. And people say, weak leaders? What are you talking about? And I say, well, they don't trust their people and they don't set them free. They try to control them. So you have weak leaders who try to control everything, and then you have strong leaders who trust people and set them free. I have been thrilled at what has happened in Saudi Arabia because these leaders have trusted their people and set them free and attracted other people to their country. And I know it's happened all over this region, Dubai, Abu Dhabi. A lot of places have started to really trust their people and set them free, and I think it makes all the difference. It's the difference between being in North Korea, where they don't trust you to do anything, and South Korea, where they trust you to do everything.
And Tim,